What's up? We headed to OneTwentyTwo Collison, and we're about to run to Rogers Mechanical after that. We're going to do some things to show you guys what all we can do. We're going to do some standoffs and some interior signage and get some B-roll and show you partners what all we provide you guys. I know we haven't put a lot of that content out there yet, but we're here. It's now. And we about to go out that door and show you guys what all we can offer you, because it ain't just the apparel, it ain't just signs, it ain't just hats. We want to be that one-stop shop to be able to take care of you guys, and we're about to go show you guys what all we can do. If you got the templates for, you got 122, okay? All right. Put that paper on there to make sure it don't get damaged on the way. Yep.
The B plug.